Welcome back to Master Kalog and don't forget to subscribe and click notification bell for more update. Lahat ng OFW sa iba't ibang bansa, nagkaisa sila at nagkaroon ng adhikain para kay Duterte, kay former President Rodrigo Duterte, at ang kanilang slogan ay "We stand for Duterte." Nagsagawa ng rally ang lahat ng mga OFW sa iba't ibang banig.
So, hello everyone. Alvin po. We are already here sa ICC. Kasama yung mga handful of people na. I just arrived actually. So, yung iba, meron silang ano ba to? Meron ng Filipinos dito na nag-aantay kay Tatay Digong. Yung iba talaga, yan na.
Ni Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte, ano yung message mo sa kanya at lang sa Pilipinas?
So, yun. Live lang natin guys na para naman malaman natin kung ano. No. Yes ma'am, amping lang mi diri ma'am. Kanang peaceful lang gid siya kay murag expect na sa mga tao na kuan. Lagi mga Filipinos na moan diri it's because moabot gid siya today. So it's really difficult. Actually, it's very difficult para sa akin personally. So I was not able to sleep very well or didn't really have sleep at all. So handful of Filipinos, merong mga reporters, there are police also. We received specific instructions na bawal po tayong pumasok doon sa loob. Dito lang tayo sa
Of Duterte from Belgium and Holland. Duterte will arrive in Den Haag around noon. Today around noon. Let's all go to Den Haag. Let's all go to Den Haag now. Let's go.
Mga kabayan, we are putting our signatures here for President Trump to petition and release our very good President Rodrigo former President Rodrigo Duterte.
Yeah, so we are affixing our signatures.
Because we are against ICC, the Philippines sovereignty is not with the ICC. So we are signing here, Senator Trump. President Trump.
Ito na.
President Trump, I hope you will hear us to release our president from this bad situation.
Amen.
Where are you from and where are you affiliated to?
Reuters.
Reuters. Okay, interview me now. Come on. What is your question?
How do you feel right now seeing your former president going?
We are enraged because we love President Duterte. He loved the Philippines first. That's why we love him. There is no fairness here. ICC doesn't have any jurisdiction in the Philippines. We are no longer and we are not part of the International Criminal Court, and the International Criminal Court doesn't have any jurisdiction in the Philippines. We insist and we give our petition to release Duterte because he did not receive proper, there's no proper jurisdiction, and he did not receive due process. He was illegally taken from the Philippines. They kidnapped him going here in the Netherlands. That is not how you were saying we should follow the rule of law, but the ICC themselves, they're not following the rules to give him due process. We are crying for due process for President Rodrigo Roa Duterte.
Siren na naririnig. So that means may siren eh. So that means eto po. Excuse me po. May siren.
Nasa loob na po si Duterte ngayon. Ito, may police. Thank you po sa sending heart. Ito po ngayon, ito na po sila ngayon. Nakapasok po ang detention center. Thank you po sa nag-send ng rose. Thank you po. Bumiyahe pa po kami ng malayo para lang dito, para lang kay Duterte, of course. So much police po. We love you! We love you, Tatay Digong! Duterte! Andito kami supporters mo! Duterte! 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 Oh, nakakaiyak. Duterte! Duterte! Ang dami din kasing tao. Duterte! Oh my God, nakakaiyak. Naiyak ako. Send him back! 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 Oh, nakakaiyak.
Oh, lights on! Lights on! Lights on! Lights on! Lights on! Lights on!
Send him back!
Send him back! Send him back! Send him back! Send him back! Duterte! Send him back! Send him back!
Wake up!
Duterte! 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 Send him back! 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 Ayun ang ginamit ko! Send him back to the Philippines! Send him back to the Philippines! Send him back to the Philippines! Send him back! We love Duterte! Send him back to our beloved country! We love Duterte! We love Duterte! We are not anti-Duterte! We are not anti-Duterte! We are Duterte fans!
For the Philippines!
For the Philippines! Bayang magiliw! Walas ang silangalan, alab ng puso, sa ditipong buhay, lobang hinirang, duyan ka ng magiting, sa manlulupi, di ka masisil, sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy at sa langit mong bugaw, may dirag ang tula at awit sa paglayang minamahal, ang sakang ng watawat mo'y tagumpay na nagdidingding, ang bituin at araw ng kailan pag may dinagdidilim, lupa ng araw ng luwalhati pagsinta, buhay na langit sa piling mo, ang maligaya na pag may mag-aapi, ang mga talang dahil sa'yo. Duterte!
Duterte!
Send him back! 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 Kung hindi po natin nasiraan yung papayin. Not here! Let's go! Alam na natin.
Kaugnay nito, mahalaga ang inyong opinyon at katuwiran. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching.